To install tempered glass for your camera setup on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, first of all, you have to clean that part. It's the first thing. So if you receive those two wipes, you will have to first of all use the wet one, just like this, diffuse wipes, to remove greasy marks, dust, and other mess. Now do this with this second one, and you can clean the whole part just like this. And we have to go for the dry one. And of course, if you don't have those wipes, you will have to use, for example, the window cleaner. It's also working fine. Now remove everything from your lenses of the camera. Make sure that you remove all of those wet marks. And now we can start by grabbing this part. So we have to just take it off, and we have to first start by applying this on the lenses. So keep holding the right part like so. And now we can put it back. We just have to align all of those spaces here. Now we just have to press on this to let it stick. So we have to remove all of this air from the glass. Just be patient. And now we can clean that part. And as you can see right now, that's finished, and that's how it looks.